Good evening, everyone. My name is Julina Ihapuna. So, our assigned topic was life cycle of humans, animals, and plants. So, I will be the one to discuss to you about the life cycles of humans. Next will be my co-reporters will explain to you the animals and plants cycle. So, the human life cycle has 5 stages. The first stages of the human life cycle was yes, birth. So it is the start. As our mother gave birth to us, it is the start of the life cycle. Second is the infancy, which is in this case we are very dependent we are totally dependent to adult. We cannot talk, we cannot eat alone, we cannot walk alone, and we cannot run. So totally we are very dependent from the adults in these stages. Third is the childhood, wherein the learning habits begin. Like we learn from habits from walking, talking, running, playing, and we can even go to school. It is the learning habits begin. Fourth is the adolescence, wherein the puberties begin. It is the adolescent stage, which is in this stage it is the puberty stage in which girls will have their menstruations and then boys will have facial hairs and a new tone of voices. Fifth is the adulthood. In this stage, human being is fully grown. In this stage, we can live independently. Well, this stage we have work and we can even make up our own family. Again, for the fifth adulthood, human being is fully grown. So again, the human life cycle has 5 stages. First is the birth, wherein the start, as our mother gave birth to us, it is the start of the life cycle. Second is the infancy, wherein we are very dependent from the adults. Third is the childhood, wherein the learned habits begin. Fourth is the adolescence, wherein the puberty of adolescent stage is erupted or began. Fifth is the adulthood, wherein human being is fully grown. So that's it of human life cycle. Thank you.
Good day, classmates, especially to our teacher. In this video presentation, I'm gonna discuss the life cycle of an animal. First, life cycle. A stage through which animals grow, change, reproduce, and die. The life cycle of an animal is the journey from the start of its life all the way to end of its life. Inikibali ang nagtuloy-tuloy ng pagbabago ng physical na isa ka insekto o hayop hanggang siya mo-form or turn into an adult. The animal life cycle represents the four stages: the birth, growth, reproduction, and death. Next is metamorphosis. It is a biological process by which an animal physically develops after birth or hatching. It means metamorphosis inikibali ang nagbabago o nagproseso ng pisikal ng isa ka insekto para maging matinda or to become an adult. The term metamorphosis refers to the way insects develop, grew, and change form, usually accompanied by change of habitat or behavior. There are two types of metamorphosis: the complete metamorphosis and incomplete metamorphosis. When we say complete metamorphosis, it refers on a type of insect's development and it consists of 4 stages: egg, larva, pupa, and adult. For example of insect life cycle, I have an example of a butterfly life cycle. Take a look of a picture, class. A butterfly goes through complete metamorphosis that includes 4 stages of development. They are egg, larva, pupa, and adult. A butterfly life cycle begins as an egg, the beginning where the female butterfly lays egg. Next stage is a larva. In this case of the butterfly, a caterpillar hatches or napusa na from the egg. Pagkapusa ng itlog sa caterpillar, it spends its time eating leaves to begin to grow. In the third stage development is the pupa or the chrysalis stage. The caterpillar make a cocoon or bayay upugad para sa ija self-protection before sila turn into an adult. Inside the cocoon, they stay not eating leaves until sila mo exist from pupa into an adult stage. In the adult stage of an butterfly, ino nakibali ang result. Amo nakibali nag-exist na ang butterfly from cocoon as an adult. Then in this life, start all over again. Aside from a butterfly, some of the insects that undergo complete metamorphosis include mosquito, fly, ant, and bees. Now we move to the incomplete metamorphosis. It is slightly different from the previous process that instead of 4, this process includes 3 stages of development. Only this includes eggs, nymphs, and adult. Just like an complete metamorphosis, this process starts with an egg. I have an example of 3-stage life cycle of an insect, the cockroach. The cockroach has only 3 stages: egg, nymph, adult cockroach. As you can see, the cockroach starts in an egg just like a butterfly life cycle when a female lays egg, but it differs to egg of a butterfly. The egg is enclosed in the case of a protective layer. Once na napusa ang mga tibali ini, ay lumalabas ang mga nymphs na kaparehas na anyo ng adult cockroach, pero waya pa'y pakpak. In the next stage is a nymph. Nymphs normally mold or change their exoskeletons. Means ng skeleton dyan sa likod ng ipis na nakatabon sa ija pakpak. Addition siya matiguyang or to become an adult. In the adult stage, the cockroach or insects no longer experience molting or changing or pagpalit anyo of their exoskeleton because they also already have their permanent exoskeleton and wings. Now, their main purpose in the adult stage to make with other insects and reproduce to continue their life cycle. In the life cycle of an animals, we also have amphibian life cycles. The word amphibians, it means the other animals lives underwater. I have an example of amphibian life cycle, the frog. The frog consists 4 stages. They are egg, tadpole, froglet, or young frog, and adult. The frog life cycle undergo complete metamorphosis has 4 stages. The life cycle of a frog is we called amphibians. Take a look at a picture, class. It's because a frog, it starts or begin their life in the water in an egg. And when it hatches, it is called tadpole. Tadpoles lives in water and breathe oxygen through gills. Soon, the tadpoles grow legs. In the next stage, the tadpoles become froglets. It begins to look more like an adult frogs and it develops lungs for breathing. In the last stage, the froglet's tail becomes shorter and shorter. In this stage, the frog starts eat insects, then lays egg and hatch into tadpoles begin again. We also have mammal life cycle. A mammal life cycle only have 3 main stages: birth, young, and adult. But I explain the first stage of mammal life cycle. When mammals are born, which we called a newborn tiger. This newborn tiger look like tiny version of the adult. Take a look at the picture. Mammals give birth to live young, meaning they don't hatch from egg like frogs and butterflies. The next stage, the tiger cubs are small, but they look like baby tigers. Mammals do not go through metamorphosis. The cubs grew into young mammals, and the young grew into adults. Then, the new adult tigers give birth to more cubs. They will continue their life cycle. That's all. Thank you for listening, class. I hope you understand about the animal life cycle.
Good day, ma'am. I am Jovian Santiago. Today, I'm gonna discuss the life cycle of the plants. What is life cycle of the plants? Plants have a life cycle, just like humans and other animals. The life cycle of a plant describes the different stages of a plant from the beginning of its life until the end, which is from seed to a mature plant. And also, a plant needs for things to survive the journey of its entire life cycle from seed and adult plant, water, air, light, and nutrients. These are the four stages of a plant. First, the seed, germination, seedling, and mature plant. Take a look of this picture of the plant life cycle. They have a seed, germination, seedling, and mature plant. First, the seed, the part that has a tiny new plant inside ang cover-coated to be protected, which is ang liso, kung saan magsisimula ang plant. Second is germination. The first root begins to grow downward. There are few tiny hairs on the roots which is absorb water and minerals from the soil. Germination, ito tibali ang gamot para maka-absorb ng water and minerals from the soil at dito rin magsisimula mutako ang ato tanom. Third is seedling. It starts growing towards sunlight. Para mo dakuan ato seedling is kailangan siya ng sunlight para ito ay lumaki at maging mature plant. Fourth is mature plant. A mature plant has leaves, roots, stems, flower, and fruits. Flower produce fruits and new plants. Tibali ang mature plant, ito na tibali, dako na tibali ini na plant which is nainay flower and fruits. Tapos ang ija fruits amo na masatibali magiging seeds which is magsisimula na naman ang kanyang plant life cycle. To better understand about a plant's life cycle is a plant's life begins with a seed being planted. After a little while, the seed begins germination or eats fruits and grows until it becomes a mature or adult plant. When a plant becomes an adult, they start to form flower or fruit. The flower or fruit contains seeds and their seeds get down to the ground to begin a cycle again. And now that's all about the life cycle of a plant. I hope you understand. Thank you.